Hey YouTube family, this your boy Ray Mack. Today we're gonna do with some canned cut green beans. I'm telling you, y'all, I got me a nice size, family size of this Hanover string beans, and I'm adding this to this saucepan with the juice and all. Telling y'all something right now, if you follow this recipe, you're gonna love it and you're gonna enjoy it. It's quick and easy cooking. So I'm putting in right now a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon. I want you to let the ancestors guide you on how much you want to use. Now I have some black pepper, and I'm also putting in a teaspoon of black pepper. After I go ahead and add the black pepper, the next one I'm going to put in is some garlic powder. Okay, garlic powder, you can put as much as you want. No measurements intended. And also for this here onion powder, you can also put how much you want to put in this as well. Now the next ingredients I'm going to put in here is some red pepper flakes. This will give it a nice little punch in the back of your throat. Then on top of that, I got some of this Old Bay seasoning hot. And this stuff right here is good, y'all. It's gonna jazz up these here flavors. I'm telling you, you're gonna love this here recipe. Now I'm using some unsalted butter, and I'm gonna put in at least around about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter into this as well. Now, if you want to use salted butter, you can. Just don't add the salt to it. Okay. Now I'm gonna toss in at least around about a tablespoon of sugar. The sugar makes this thing even better. How many of you guys use sugar for your string beans, collard green, cabbage? Comment below. Let me know if you're that type of person. I got this on medium-high heat. That's what my stove is set on. I'm putting the lid on it right now. But this is what's gonna help out these here canned string beans, green beans, whatever you call them. I got me some thinly cut fatback. Y'all look here, we country. I'm from North Carolina, and this is how we do it. I don't know how you guys do it, but this is how we do it. I know somebody out there saying there's a heart attack waiting to happen, but look here, it's good, y'all. So I got some thinly sliced fatback that I'm adding to the air fryer. I normally would cook it in the oven, but the air fryer worked just good. I got it set at 400 degrees, putting it at 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes is up at 400 degrees, my fatback is looking good, y'all. It's crispy, it's tender. Put this on some bread and you squeeze that bread, I guarantee you're gonna enjoy a good fatback sandwich. I ain't lying, y'all. I'm telling y'all the truth. I'm telling you what I know. So the reason why I really cook that fatback is to get that right there, that grease. I want to use that grease and add it to my green beans. You can call it green bean, string bean. I don't care what kind of bean you call it. It's gonna be a good bean after we finish it. So I let this cook for at least around about a good 20 to 30 minutes total, with adding the grease in within the last 10 minutes of this, or whatever the case may be. And I'm telling you something, once this is done and it's fixed up and the house is smelling good, y'all better get ready to go ahead and fix up a nice meal with these string beans. I'm telling you. So I got me some canned string beans along with some canned candy yams. Yes, canned candy yams, and some seasoned rice. You can also cook with canned goods and still have a good tasting meal, a good looking meal. But I got some of this here baked mushroom gravy, chicken thighs, and she pairing well with my canned green beans. Everything on this plate was seasoned to perfection. Everything on this plate tastes dynamite. I sound like JJ on Good Times, you know what I'm saying? But it was so daggone good, so delicious. Look here, y'all. Y'all need to try this here recipe. I guarantee you're gonna love it. Let me just say this to y'all right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Love and not hate. Love somebody, and do me a favor. Please don't hate nobody. Subscribe to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Peace.